always want smoke. What's up, guys? Today another day. Headed to work. I gotta hear that remote start. The exhaust. Headed to work as usual. Trying to find some time to make some videos. Yesterday I hit 16 hours in one day. We're back at it again another day. It's my old Silverado. Right, I get back with you guys when I get to going.
20 minutes later.
Went in and stopped at the car wash real quick. With this car being white, you gotta really stay on top of keeping it clean. Sir. So finally got a chance to vacuum this bad boy out. Still need to put the mats in. Ain't got that far yet. One thing I will say, I don't like the cloth seats. Every car I own has leather seats, and I don't like the cloth seats. So that will be on the list of upgrades, getting some leather seats. So I just went through the little drive-through car wash. But I'm gonna have to really get it home and do some detail. But yeah, so gotta get to work.
5 minutes later.
What's up, gang? Looks like we got a scatty just passed me up. Ooh, that thing nice, man. Look at it. Purple. Got some dealer tags on it, but got something hanging at the bottom of it. Ooh, I wish I had my camera with me this time. Let's see if we can get up on the side of it, see what they're talking about. We both got dealer tags on. That's that wide body joint too. Ooh, that thing is clean. catch up to it. Oh yeah, they always want smoke. They always want smoke. They always want smoke. Let's wait till these cars get out the way. That's what I thought.
8:01 p.m.
I can see now I'm gonna have to buy me a GoPro camera stand or something. Just as I'm driving this RT don't mean I want to race everybody. Putting up on something. Oh, we got traffic. We got traffic. What we got up ahead? What we got up ahead? What we got up ahead? Badging.